Hello, my name's Kyle with Leisure Time Inc. and today I'd like to talk to you on how to use the ScumRay. Now first, before you use it, you want to make sure that your filters and your chemistry level in your tubs are clean, good, and ready to go. You can check the chemistry levels in your tub by using both our 5-way test strips and the salt test strips for your salt hot tub systems. In order to use the ScumRay, it's fairly simple. Every time you get in, you just want to take it, plop it in the water like that. There's a suction cup here in the back. You can stick it around any surface of the tub on the side. The great thing about the ScumRay is that it's both designed to float and sink just enough to maximize the surface area of the water as it's cleaning. So when you're getting ready to get out of the tub, you simply just pull up on the suction cup there, grab it by the tail, and just pull it around your tub, getting any of those oils and scum off the top of your tub. The ScumRay is also 100% reusable, which means you can put it in your washing machine. So every time you use the ScumRay, you simply pull it out, put it in your washing machine, and you're good to go. And that's why you should use the ScumRay.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all of our brand new content from Leisure Time Inc.